What's going on, guys? Enzo here, coming at you with a unboxing video of the O.S Speed Tessmann XZ-B Spec 2. This is the truggy motor that Ty runs in his car. Sorry about that. This is the truggy combo. Comes with the obviously the 110% Spec 2 motor, along with the full 2090 pipe combo. So let's go ahead and pop this out of the nice box that OS gives you, and we will take a look at the inside. Alright, once you open your box, you get your simple OS manual. Sure, there's a sticker sheet in there too. Get that all nice packaged up. Dust caps, and it looks like the rear engine gasket. You get your 2090 pipe and manifold. The manifold that comes with this engine combo is actually the 90mm, and the pipe is the same old 2090. You just get Tessmann's signature, but the manifold is the 90mm for truck, for more mid-range and bottom power. So that's your pipe, and then you have your engine. So yeah, that's what you get when you open it. But let's go ahead and take this out of the bubble wrap in the wrapping, and I can give you a closer look. Alright, so there it is. Once you take the motor out of the bubble wrap, you do get your Venturi, which I believe it is a 7mm. Yes, it is. Don't think you'll be able to see it, but oh yeah, you do. There it is, 7mm. You get a 7mm Venturi, and then you get your standard OS P3 plug. So that's what you get with it, and this is the engine. So from what I saw, using a little grease tub to keep the motor up for you guys, but from what I was told and what I read, this is the XZ-B Spec 2, which for those of you that have been running OS know that the Spec 2 is a monster of a motor. Is a really good truggy motor. Just a lot of power, overall a lot of power. And for this combo, I believe they put on the B2101 head, which is a lower profile head, and the motor is the same old Spec 2, which is what Ty runs in truck. Again, really good looking motor, really nice milling on the head, the fins, just looks super nice. Just the whole build quality and the whole material is just really, really good. Comes with the 21J carb that comes on the Ty 2 that I also got. So these come with the same carburetor. It's a little oily. This is the oil that they put in the engine when you buy it from the factory, just so it doesn't rust or any of that. They always lube it up when it goes into packaging. So it looks like it leaked out a little bit, but that's all good. But yeah, this is again the Ty Tessmann Spec 2. Really looking forward to putting this in the truggy. Picked up the STRR Evo for this year, so I'm excited to see what we can do. So yeah, I will definitely keep you guys posted, make a couple videos on it in the future, and show you guys how she's running, so stay tuned for that. And again, just wanted to show you guys what you get when you order your Tessmann Spec 2 combo. Thanks again for watching. Take care, guys.